guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Des, and today I have a Unico unboxing for Tokidoki. So, oh my gosh, if you're a figure lover, kawaii lover, I'm sure you already know about Tokidoki. And the unicorns are such like classic kawaii figures. Like, I have been obsessed with these since I was young. I used to have some I thrifted. I believe they're either at my dad's or at my house somewhere. But I just love these. They're so awesome. This box is so cute. So here you see packaging. As you can see, they are like carnival themed. It's so cute. The circus carnival theme is everything. And yeah, you see who's back here. Oh my gosh, there's so many cute characters. Romantica, Quinn, Carosella, Trickster, Funny Bunny, Premia, Sweet Stuff, and Magico. Those are so cute. They look amazing. The themes are amazing. There's the bunny, of course, like the clowns. There's one that's sweet. One looks like a carousel. That is so sweet. I'm so excited to open these. These look amazing. So I got 3. Ooh, I'm so excited to open 3. But yeah, the Unicornos, they definitely retail more expensive. Most of these, you know, nicer figures are. They are definitely like $10 to $15 range for price. Yeah, they're really nice figures, really beautiful and adorable, but yes, pricey. And so yeah, I'm super excited. Because you know, you don't want to spend a ton on these unless they're really gorgeous figures you like. And the fact that I was in love with so many of the design options, I was definitely willing to get a few of these. And so yeah, I'm super excited. Let's hope I don't get duplicates, but you know, the world works out sometimes like that. But if I do get duplicates, I can give them away to friends, you know, so that's fun. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's just get into opening these. Yay! I'm so excited. Making sure I showed you the box art. Super cute. I know I want it to focus, but I guess it's having trouble. The back is adorable with the saying, "The Unicornos were once simple little ponies that were out trotting and wandered into magical waterfall. Passing through the waterfall, the ponies transformed into unicorns and found a hidden magical kingdom. The Unicornos live between the magic kingdom and our world. This is not a toy. This is a collectible. Period. $15, girl. This is a collectible." And so yeah, super excited. Let's get into opening these. So yeah, my look today is definitely unicorn inspired, of course. I don't know how I like my hair and everything, but oh well. But yeah, I have this unicorn horn. It's just like a cosplay horn from Amazon, which I literally used for a last unicorn cosplay, which is fantastic. And then just my scarf and top are thrifted. Yeah, and this is from Hot Topic, this necklace. Yeah, I always try to give you guys the outfit deets. But let's just get into the figures. So here's the first one. So I guess I should try to call out the one I would like. I adore Sweet Stuff and Sweet Stuff and Trickster. Trickster's like the clown one. Sweet Stuff is the sweet themed one. So cute. But any of them would be amazing, honestly. So cute. And Funny Bunny and Carosella are also amazing. Yeah, literally any of these I would be happy with. So yeah, let's get into it. Unboxing number 1. Ooh. Oh my gosh, why am I so nervous? This is my first like Unico. Like, I've only thrifted them before. Ooh. This is so special. I have wanted like Tokidokis. They're expensive though, but these ones, when it's designs you really like, it's worth it to gamble. Okay, let's see. What? Oh my gosh, yeah, because wow, so this is definitely Funny Bunny. But oh my gosh. Yeah, because it's a metallic series, they're all clear. And so it's so cool. What? Wow. So yeah, she's transparent, as you can see. Wow, she like almost shocked me. Like, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Like, she has a moon inside her. she's like pink on the bottom or like white on the top, yellow. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. So yeah, we got Funny Bunny. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure this is like a special series, Metallico series, right? Like, yeah, it probably, they all come differently. That's what I thought, like the shine was different, but I don't think this is what she comes like, because in the box she looks different, you know. So these ones look a bit different. They look really, really cool. Like, oh my gosh, Funny Bunny. Ooh, oh wow. I really love rabbits and bunnies, so this is a really cool figure. Wow, that's so special. Very exciting. Like, I seriously was like shocked opening and seeing the transparent, because I actually wasn't. I knew it was they were looking a little different, but I think I forgot for a sec, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is really special. So yeah, I'm excited to see all these like special edition ones. She has these gorgeous flowers all over her side, stars, the flowers in her hair, and of course her adorable bunny ears. Really pretty. How sweet! Her little lamp on her horn. So cute. So yeah, I love this, love her. Wow, adorable. So first one we got was Funny Bunny. And yeah, it has a little, comes with little, I guess it just comes with a little paper. And yeah, it comes with a little paper that has, I guess, just the information on all the figures. And yeah. Oh, so cute. This would be a good like doll book as well, you know? All right, next figure. It's like nerve-wracking. It's like so exciting but nerve-wracking. Like, oh my gosh, why is it so scary? I like want to close my eyes. Oh, it's so hard to open. What? Okay, this one is taking me a long time to open. Ah, it's like sealed. I literally might need to get scissors. These ones have been easy to open, but this one is killing me. Ooh, okay. Finally got this open. It took me forever. Oh, whoa! Oh my gosh! Stop! They're so cool. Oh, I'm gagged, obviously. I literally can't even talk right now, bitch. Oh my god. This one, I think this one is Trickster. Is it Trickster? No, this one's Quinn. Oh my, this one should be named Trickster. Like, he looks like a trickster, but this one is Quinn. So yeah, this one's Quinn. Although he looks like a trickster, he should be named Trickster. But he's so amazing. What? Wow, I'm so happy to get this one. They're so beautiful, the pastel. So, oh my gosh, did I get a special edition one for real? Like this transparent? I'm literally shook. Like when I saw her, I was like, oh girl, you're clear. And this one, oh wow. That is so cool. What cool figures. As a unicorn lover, I think Tokidoki is especially like the type of, you know, the new wave of really gorgeous figures that are more expensive, really high quality. I'm really into the Unico still, just because I love unicorns and fantasy, and all the different themes are super intricate and fun. They're so awesome. Like, oh my gosh, he has like that, like the flower, the multiple tails. It's so cute. They're curled. I love their jester outfit and their hat. They are so cute. His little makeup. Wow, that's an amazing figure. I got so lucky choosing this one because I really wanted one of the clown ones, one of the clown guys. I'm so glad I got one. They're adorable. What do you guys think? I am so excited with this one. So yeah, this one's Quinn. Quinn is freaking adorable. Wow, Quinn blew me out the park. Wow, seeing the transparent one next to them too, like Oh my gosh, I really thought these were all gonna look like this because I saw like it says Metallico. I didn't know if that was a special edition, like, you know, they were gonna be shiny, transparent, but oh my goodness, I guess I maybe pulled a special one. That's so special. How cool. These are seriously the coolest blind bags. They're gorgeous. So I'm very happy. I literally can't even put him down. His little hat is adorable. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think he's amazing. All the little stars on his wings and face. He has little hearts. Oh my gosh, he has a heart on his hair, but he also has hearts on his little hat. My new babies. Oh, these two are so cool so far. And so I have one more. How exciting. But what awesome figures. Like, wow, can y'all believe it? So, next one. The last one. Nerves. It is nerve-wracking. Last one, here we go. The first one was really easy to open, and then they're all hard, right? Oh, wow! Oh my gosh. So we got another shiny, and this one is definitely the carousel one. Wow! So the Carosella, and so this Carosella is metallic shiny as well. Wow. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this one has a blue, purple, and pink like tint with its clear. That's so cute. Its little crown. Like the little carousel looks like its crown. It's so gorgeous. That's adorable. Well, actually, no, this isn't Carosella. This is Romantica. Yes. So you can see her purple, blue, and pink. She's the carousel. Wow. That's really fun. She's gorge. So the transparent figures are super, super cute. I think all of them are really fun. Like the solid one, the transparent one. But yeah, like seeing this is so gorgeous. Like all the different colors and her little, like, I think it's called I forget what that ride is where it's going around, like the one they have at Disneyland. But that is so gorgeous. I love how her crown is the ride, and she also has it on her makeup. And yeah, she also has the ride on her body painted on. That is so adorable. So what cute, cool little figures. These are such awesome blind boxes, and I was so excited to get some, and of all of them to be Unicos, because I'm a unicorn lover, and Unicos are bomb. So yeah, those are 3 I got. Wow, I'm so excited. I didn't get duplicates. Can you believe it? So I got some really cool figures. The first one. So yeah, the first figure I got was Honey Bunny. The yellow and pink, the lamp, the rabbit Usagi theme is so cute. Her ears, she's adorable, and they're even fuzzy. Oh, you could feel them. How special. What a gorgeous little figure. And then the next one I got was Quinn. Love his little gesture look. I was so happy to get one of the clown ones because the clown ones were so cute. I got lucky. Wow. Adorable. And then finally, my last figure, last one I pulled was Romantica. The blue, pink, and purple. She got that bisexual color scheme going on. Love her. Oh, the transparent is beautiful. But yeah, isn't that so cute? Her like a rainbow crown. So cute. But yeah, the rainbow crown, that's the carousel ride, is adorable. How sweet. Ooh. These are so magical and special. Tokidoki is the bomb. Like, I love all their merch. And so especially their Unicos, I think, were probably the first thing I discovered from them as a kid. And since then, I've been a fan of the brand. Like, how amazing, iconic. So yeah, these are some blind bag figures I totally recommend. How adorable. If you're into unicorns like me, you will love these. And I think these are definitely a blind bag figure, even though they're more expensive. Worth it if you're trying to get into figure collecting, because wow, these ones are gorgeous and so cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what y'all thought of my pools, and yeah, which one would you have wanted to get? There's so many. So there's Romantica here, Quinn, Carosella, I got Trickster, Funny Bunny, Premia, Sweet Stuff, and then Magical right there. Cute! I'm so excited with my pools. Let me know what y'all guys thought of the video, of the haul. And yeah, I wish you guys luck with your collecting. Thanks for tuning into my video, guys. Have a great one. Bye!